I'm here in front of you to represent my presentation, which is how to apply eye makeup on other skin. Makeup na, girl. Chill na. Wala din.
Okay, na.
Here are the basic technique and makeup. First is start with a clean slate. Wash your whole face with a gentle cleanser before you begin. Paying particular attention to any leftover mascara or eyeliner. If you're having trouble removing residual eye makeup, try using cold water or regular lotion on a cotton swab. If you have dry skin around your eyes or suffer from eczema, rub a little moisturizer underneath your eyes, as well as between the outer corners of your eyes and your temples. Don't put moisturizer on your eyelids. This will make them greasy and the makeup you apply will run off. But before you apply makeup first, you must need to use any cleanser so that you can start the makeup. Next step is even out the skin tone around your eyes. Apply concealer to that under eye circles and to the area where your inner eye hits your nose. Shop for concealer somewhere that allows you to set, sample, and sweep them across your surface. By the one that covers up the bases, use your fingers or a concealer brush to blend the makeup outwards to your cheekbone. Take the concealer with brushing alone, place spoon powder over it. Apply some powder to your eyelids as well. So much better to use concealer so that it hides dark spots and blemishes in your face. Next step is apply eyeshadow. You can use one color or several. Here's a basic 3-color plan.
Wala.
Basic 3-color plan. First is apply a neutral color in your eyelid. Your eyelid is the area running from your eyelashes to your crease. The slight tip between your eyelid and your brow bone, pick a medium end, light brown, or any other middle of the room hue for this area. Second step is apply a light color in your brow bone. Most people have an area of their brow bone that sets beneath the eyebrow proper. Highlight this area and make more light bounds of it by brushing on a pearly off-white, light gold, or other glassy color that matches your eyelid color in blue. Next is apply a dark color on your crease. Use light little strokes to focus little bit of darker powder on the crease of your eye. Go from the outer corner of your cheek and follow the arc about 2 to 3 of the way and towards the inner corner of the eye. Try a violet brown or other dark color that matches up with the first 2 colors you use. Next is blend the color. If you apply more than one color of eyeshadow, you use your fingers or a fluffy, tougher blending brush to mix the colors of a piece. This will create a more natural, creative look. Next is apply eyeliner. You can use liquid eyeliner, but
Kawakwak ng gadana.
which is waterproof because if ever kahit na umuulan or mabasa ka or umiyak ka, hindi siya mag-smudge or kumbaga magkamyat. Kanan kumbaga. So you can use liquid eyeliner, pencil, or even with a shadow on an ankle brush to line your eyes. Whatever you pick, is curl your lashes. Use an eyelash curler to grease your upper lashes. Hold the clamp for about 5 seconds. Accenting your lashes is easiest if you have closed your eyes. Remember, always scroll before you apply mascara, never after. The last is apply mascara. You can apply a little or a lot, and there are many different brands and formulas for volume, length, and definition. Find a product you're happy with. Start at the base of your upper lashes and slowly upward. For more dramatic effect, apply mascara to the lower lashes as well. If you want to apply multiple coats, do it while the first coat of mascara are still wet. Apply a new coat to dry mascara will record this class. And that's all.